Welcome. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to download the Facebook app on your Android phone or tablet. Whether you're setting up a new device or just reinstalling the app, this simple, updated guide will walk you through every step. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and look for the Google Play Store. It's the app with a colorful triangle icon. Tap on it to open. This is where you can safely download and install apps verified by Google. Once you're inside the Play Store, look toward the top of the screen for the search bar. You'll see a magnifying glass icon there. Tap on the search bar and type in Facebook. Then press the search or enter button on your keyboard. After a second or two, you'll see a list of results. The official Facebook app will usually be the first one you see, with the familiar blue square logo and a white letter F in the center. To be sure you have the right app, check that it's published by Meta Platforms, Inc. Now, tap on the install button. The download should begin automatically. The time it takes will depend on your internet speed, but you can watch the progress bar to see how far along it is. Once the installation finishes, the button will change to Open Go Ahead and tap Open to launch the app for the first time. From here, you can sign in with your existing account details or create a new one if you're joining Facebook for the first time. After you're logged in, you'll have instant access to your newsfeed, messages, notifications, and all your favorite Facebook features. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the Facebook app from the Google Play Store. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick tech tips made simple.